you going, Bailey? Hey guys, this is Calvin, the interior designer for the Savant Company. And just a quick, we had our furniture delivered. We were doing an outdoor patio for our Sandy Springs client. I'm out of breath, you guys, but we were doing a patio. We changed her patio set so that the scale of her patio furniture matched the scale of her furniture on the inside of the house. Because she's in a townhome, not an apartment. And so when you do this, you create a more indoor-outdoor space because then the furniture looks like it's the same size of the furnishings inside the house. It makes it feel like, okay, well, I'm still outside the house. I'm just outdoors. There's Bailey, by the way, you guys. If you're Bailey, Bailey is always in my photos over here. So if you look on our webpage, this is the Sandy Springs client project. You'll see Bailey on the dining room, in the dining room area. But let me show you guys what we did out here. So we got some chairs. We ordered these, and we just did these items like from Front Gate. We got a nice little ottoman. We did a 4 set here. And so I just brought in the planters, and then right now you see foam in there, but I'm gonna put the whole concrete and the rocks and all that type of stuff filler. But I wanted to see how these fake trees lined up to what we're doing out here on the patio. And again, these are Front Gate as well, a lot of this stuff. So big shout out to Front Gate. We love using them. Bailey. And so I wanted to do these planters so they provide a little bit of privacy here. Now, this client also, what we had done is we also had this screen, this sunscreen attached. This is sunset awnings. And so you guys, that's how you roll it in. But when you roll it out, and now this actual feature, it actually automatically retracts if the wind is too heavy, so that the wind doesn't blow the thing off. And, sometimes you get that on your umbrellas that you put on your outdoor set, and then all of a sudden they're gone. But here is the awning here. And so now it has created a nice indoor-outdoor space for the client. Take a look at that. How awesome. So now she can come out here and enjoy barbecue and, when the sun is just beaming down. And then at night, she can retract it and just look up at the stars. Now, let me show you. When I say that it matched, we designed this interior room maybe 4 years ago. Those were the cabinetries and everything that we had built in, and our swivel chairs here. So as you see, we got a nice size chairs here. Let me turn on. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, our client loves books. But we have our nice chairs here. So now this kind of flows indoor, outdoor. On these window treatments that we had done, we just did a nice little banded edge here. That's like a 5-inch banded edge. And we had these built-ins built. And so these were the built-ins, you guys, that opened and closed that I had made. They open and close to each area, so she could hide away her liqueurs and those types of things when she's entertaining. So that's what we did for this room. Hey, Zach. Oh, Zach. So, so these are just the hideaways that we created in this cabinetry set. And I did this design here. If you see it, the squares around the doors, I did that design here as well, so that we have it on the front and the back of the room. So we mimicked it. And so that's how we end up getting into this room. Now, these squares all started from when I put the square on the ceiling here to showcase her chandelier. Thank you, Rokia. So we did a crystal chandelier because she's a crystal kind of girl. And we just, when I created this recessed squares on her ceiling in here to just give it a stop, I decided to go ahead and repeat it on the cabinets, on the walls. And that's what you see in this particular project. But what I love right now is, so if you look right here, we put this throw on here because Bailey likes to sit in this chair, and now he knows to sit on his throw. So wherever that throw is where he sits. Okay, that's a touch for you dog lovers. You just gotta get them into sitting in only in one spot. But there's our retract. So let's retract it. It just has double arms that swing out, and it rolls all the way into a mechanism, and it keeps it covered. I'll show that to you once we roll in. Rokia, you are so cool. Okay, can you guys see that? Okay, there it is. Retractable awning, and that cover keeps the rain and the weathers from beating down on the top of it. So as you see, this is something that is wired in. Now, I had no way to, this was done after the fact through their condo association that we had to get approved. So we got it approved, but I couldn't get it into an electrical hardwired in. So they ran it down, and it actually plugs into a plug. How cool is that? So you guys, you don't need to direct wire it into the electrical box and all of this. They can make it so that it wires right into a plug. But that's the retractable awning out here. And so here's our little outdoor space here with our little privacy wall. The ottoman just came in and everything. Right now I got to hang her pieces of artwork here in this kitchen that I'm going to put on this wall right here for her trips to Spain. But this is a quick update because I actually have to get back to my side of town. But anyway, you guys, this is just a quick update. This is how decorated for, yes, this is the home rod that I decorated for Christmas. So you guys remember when I did fall tree last year and then converted it to Christmas in December? This is that home. So yeah, I'm still working on this house, and I have her terrace level left to do. But yes, Rod, see, you've been watching. I gotta send you something, Rod. You guys, I gotta hang these pieces of artwork, and then thank you so much, Rokia. And then I gotta get to another project. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Because I am going to try to start posting these on YouTube and that type of stuff and putting them on Instagram more. I'm trying, you guys. I'm just so busy. But thank you so much for watching, and on to the next project.